Okay, welcome everyone to today's tutorial. Today I am here to show you how you can give the battle pass to your friend, family, or maybe another person you would like to gift. So make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button before we proceed further. Also, this tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. So let's begin right away. When you open Fortnite, you will get this basic lobby. What you have to do is to go and look on top options here. We have play, and just next to that we have battle pass, and you click on that. Now you have these options and you have to go to get the battle pass. When you click there, you will get another lobby. We have option to buy battle pass for this current account. I am logged in, but no, we are looking on the lower right corner where we see more info, gift battle pass and back. We click on the middle button here, gift battle pass, and now on the left side we have gifting options, and here we can put a display name of a person we want to gift a battle pass. And we came to an end of this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you enjoyed it, also make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials.